How do I create a numpy array of all true or all false? In Python, how do I create a numpy array of arbitrary shape filled with all true or all false?
The answer. Explanation. NumPy creates arrays of all ones or all zeros very easily. For example, numpy.ones 2, 2, or numpy.zeros 2, 2. Since true and false are represented in Python as 1 and 0, respectively, we have only to specify this array should be boolean using the optional dtype parameter and we are done. Returns. Update, October 30th, 2013. Since NumPy version 1.8, we can use full to achieve the same result with syntax that more clearly shows our intent, as Fonagalia points out. Update, January 16th, 2017. Since at least NumPy version 1.12, full automatically casts to the dtype of the second parameter, so we can just write
ones and zeros, which create arrays full of ones and zeros respectively, take an optional dtype parameter.
If it doesn't have to be writable, you can create such an array with np.broadcast_2. If you need it writable, you can also create an empty array and fill it yourself. These approaches are only alternative suggestions. In general, you should stick with np.full, np.zeros or np.ones like the other answers suggest.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.